Welcome. In this video, I'll show you 2 ways to play YouTube in the background on your iPhone. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. So first up, go ahead and open up YouTube. Alright, so the first option here is that you'll have to buy YouTube Premium. Okay, so go ahead over to your profile right here at the top right and just buy YouTube Premium right here so that you'll be able to see or you'll be able to use background play. Now, if you don't want to spend money, okay, as a bonus, I'll give this option for you. Okay, so go ahead and find your app store. Look for Brave. Tap on Brave browser, install it, and then just wait for the process to finish. Once done, open it up. And then after that, go ahead over to YouTube or type it down right here, youtube.com, just like so. Tap on go. And then here, look for a video or music that you wanted to play. You could go ahead over to music.youtube.com as well. Okay, so I'm just going to find random videos right here. I'm going to play this video. Then after that, I'm going to go to home. And when you go ahead over to your control center, right here, as you can see, you can play the audio, pause the audio from here. All right, that's basically it. That is how you play YouTube in the background on an iPhone. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.